This is called making the box bigger. So I've got a blank presentation on my screen. I want to make an organizational chart, so I click Insert, Illustrations tab, Smart Art. I choose Hierarchy. I choose Organizational Chart, click OK, and I start filling in the data. Okay, I have decided that I want these three boxes to be larger. So I click on Lisa and I make it larger, and I make this larger, and I make this larger. And I could sit here all day and struggle to make them the same size. Or watch what I can do. Click inside one of the boxes, let's say the largest one. I want all the boxes to be this size. Top of the screen, I choose Format, Size, and I click the dialog box Launcher, which puts the size right here. So this box is 154/296. This one, so let's see if I can just copy it. Control C, I click on John, Control CV, and what was the other one? 296. So I just copy it, hit here, V, and then over here 154/296, 1.54, tab key 2.96. Okay, so that's a way to make all of your boxes the same size. And that's by clicking in a box, Format, Size, Dialog Box Launcher, and just changing it right here. And that's it.